Hello writers, this is just a quick video to help you know how to format a Word document for MLA formatting guidelines. So when you open a new document that you're going to be using with MLA format guidelines, the first thing you want to do is set the entire document for double spacing. So from my home menu right here, I'm going to select this area, which is about your line and paragraph spacing. So when I click the drop down area, I just go down to 2, and that will create double spacing for me automatically as I type. The next thing you need to know how to do, as you know, is insert a header so that you can have your last name and the page number in the header of every page of your document. To do this, up in your main menu, you'll go to Insert. From Insert, over here you have the option to insert a header. So you again click the down arrow. You just want to choose the blank option. And you'll see here it creates a header. As you know, you need this header information to be aligned at the right side of the page. So what I'm going to do is just hit delete, and then I'm going to go back to my home page, or my home menu, excuse me, so that I have the options for alignment. I'm going to choose the alignment at the right of the page, and I'm going to put my last name and then a space. And now I need to go back to Insert. So from Insert, I'll go over to page number. I'm going to insert, and again, I'll click the little down arrow. I want to insert a page number, and I want it to be in the upper right corner. So this one is the one that I will choose. And that will automatically, now every page will automatically have a page number added as I go through my document. And then to get back to the main body of the document, all I have to do is double click, and that will close the header. If I realize I've made a mistake in the header, I just double click in the header itself and it will open the header back up. So it's easy to move back. Once you've actually inserted a header, it's easy to move back and forth between the header and the main body of your document. So once I'm back in the main body of my document, I'm going to add my name as the first item in the course information. Now look, when I hit return, it does the automatic double spacing for me. And then you're going to do your instructor's name. And then when I hit return, it double spaces the course. I hit return, and now I add the date. What is the date right now? I can't even remember. I'll just add a date, whatever I can think of. So now when I hit return, I'm down to the line where I'm going to want my title. So at this point, I want to center on the page in order to add my title. So I'm going to, from the home menu, going to go to my alignment tools here, my icons, choose the centering icon, and remember, you want your title to be interesting and creative and to really reflect what your unique paper is about. So you don't want to title it Draft or Draft 1D. Just give it a good working title for now, and you may come up with an even better title as you revise. So now I'm going to hit return again, and notice that my cursor is still centered on the page. So at this point, I need to go back up in the home menu to the alignment icon tools and choose to align at the left margin again. And at this point, I'm trying to think about how I make sure it does indenting for me. I think there's a way to automatically set paragraph indenting, but remember, your first paragraph, the first line of your paragraph, you want to be indented. And you can just use the tab key on your keyboard. So if you can watch my cursor here, right now I'm putting it back to being aligned with the left margin. When I hit the Tab key, it indents automatically for my first line of my paragraph. I think once I do that and keep typing, it will automatically pick up that formatting option and will indent the lines of my paragraphs as I keep going. So hopefully that helps you know how to use the formatting tools in Word to get your document formatted correctly. And I look forward to seeing your drafts on Sunday.